Even though we are a small department, we work really hard to provide these sorts of opportunities that do make the difference when it comes to getting a job and do make the difference when it comes to getting into graduate school. So that's something that I think is really special about our department and about Adams State.
Well, I introduced the reproducibility project and how replication rates are conducted around science, and how there's a difference between confirmation versus innovation, where adults and children are going to find snakes among caterpillars and vice versa, caterpillars among snakes.
We recruited from 2 different daycares here in the valley, and what conditions that they were assigned to. Either they were finding snakes amongst caterpillars or caterpillars amongst snakes. They are presented in pictures, matrices of 9 photos, and they were displayed on an iPad monitor.
Evolutionary psychology was our grounding, and basically what our results found were that both children and adults who were finding snakes amongst a bunch of pictures of caterpillars could find them a lot quicker than the people who had to look for caterpillars amongst snakes. So we have to be prepared to look for these brightly colored snakes that could possibly kill us, and that's what we were looking for. Our children born ready to find these scary things that can kill us.
To be involved with undergraduate students that are interested in research, to be involved with the pure data replication, which is very important, and to be involved trying to replicate data that is in an area of my interest was a no-brainer for me to join the gang here. So it's been a great experience.
In the psychology department, we love having the opportunity to get students involved in research. And not only did this allow us to get students involved in research, it allowed us to, as a small university, be part of a national effort. So it's something that's larger than us.
This experience, just working with kids in general, going through this research and having to collect data and work with other people outside of just the psychology department, has also prepared me for what I will be doing in the future.
What's next for me is spending the summer in Michigan doing field work for public health. And that's something that I'm really interested in, since I want to go into military psychology and be able to help soldiers with PTSD and TBIs. And after that, I want to be able to have a major influence on my reservation by running for public office, and that's where my anthropology degree comes in.
I'm in the process of getting a job at behavioral health back home in New Mexico with children. This study was one of the main reasons that I was able to look so good. I have a ton of experience not only in regular life, but in my psychology settings, so that's been pretty awesome. I could do whatever I want.